Okay, today we will be replacing a Kohler canister flush valve. Something I want to bring to your attention, there is 2-inch and 3-inch canister flush valves, so you want to make sure you pick the correct size for your toilet. These run around 20 bucks plus or minus. Here's what it looks like. And the way these detach, the way you replace that rubber seal right there, is you twist it to the left about a quarter turn, and you can just replace that seal. You don't have to replace the whole canister. But on this video, we're replacing the whole canister, but the process is the same. So first start by turning off the water. Open up the back of the toilet tank. There's a UPC number you can use to order the correct one for your toilet. I'm going to flush all the water, most of the water, out of the tank. I'm going to detach the little chain and the tube. And again, you twist the canister to the left and lift it straight out. Install the new chain on the new canister. See the rubber gasket there? And you line up those tabs with the holes or the slot in the bottom there, and then twist it to the right about a quarter turn to lock it in place. Reattach the chain and the fill tube. Turn the water back on and check for proper operation. And you don't want that chain too tight or too loose, and you're good to go. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.